All right, Green Bay memorabilia collectors, this is the video to find the winner of my Aaron Rodgers Authentic Chrome. This is the main. This is being signed in October at the next signing. So we'll check the time, September 8th at 11:11 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have, there it is, September 8th at 11:11 p.m. There's the list of our 44 entries with all of our mini spots filled in. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Nick. Spot 24 is your winner. So, Nick, please get with me to collect your Rodgers. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, September 8th, 11:12 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.